What's going on everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the crunchiest, tastiest beer battered onion rings. To get this started, here I have one peeled brown onion. We're just going to take the end off, save this for a stock, and then I'm going to make 1 centimeter slices across the onion. Then we're just going to pop all these out into each individual ring. And take off any of the little onion skin that comes out. Once that's done, we're going to add them to a large bowl and pour over 1 cup of buttermilk. I'm going to mix all of these around so they all get coated. And then we're going to allow these to coat for about 10 minutes whilst we get the other ingredients ready. Then in a second mixing bowl, we're going to add half a cup of self-raising flour, half a teaspoon of sea salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of white ground pepper, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder. We're going to mix that around. Then I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of beer. And you can pretty much use any beer of your choice. I'm not actually too sure if I'm allowed to say what beer I'm using in this video because I don't want to get done for copyright. But what I can say is it's a Dutch beer and it's extremely popular. We're then going to mix this around. And then that's our beer batter done. Then in a third smaller bowl, I'm going to add another half a cup of self-raising flour. And we're going to use this one to dredge the onion rings. Then in a large saucepan, we're going to pour in enough canola oil to fill just under halfway full. And if you have a deep fryer, set it to 180 degrees. We're then going to put this onto a high heat and bring it up to 180 degrees using a thermometer. And now that our oil is at 180 degrees Celsius, I'm going to turn it down to a low heat, just so it maintains its temperature and doesn't increase. Then now that everything's ready to go, in batches we're going to put the onion into the flour. Just drain off a little bit of the buttermilk. Coat the onions in the flour. And then one by one, we're going to add them to the beer batter. Give them a nice coat. Tap off just a little bit of that excess batter, and then place in the hot oil, pushing away from yourself. We're then going to cook these for about a minute on each side, and then we're going to flip them over. Then once they are nice and golden brown, we're just going to lay them on some kitchen cloth to drain. We'll then do the same thing with the next batch. And you don't have to turn them as much as I'm turning them. I just like to make sure they're all evenly coloured. Then once you're finished with your oil, turn it off the heat and allow it to completely cool down. You can then put this through filter paper or put it through a really fine sieve and reuse it again. Then here on a board, I'm just going to place our onion rings and serve these up with some homemade ranch sauce. And if you'd like to see my recipe on ranch sauce, I'll leave my video link in the description below. And there we have it. Beautiful, crunchy and golden onion rings. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I was able to teach you something. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you stay up to date with everything that I do on my channel. And don't forget to like, share and comment. And if there's any recipes that you'd like to see me make, please leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to make them. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.